Again, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jaleo on the ones and twos with my basic reactions and views. We're going to watch this 19-year-old nearly mows over officers and his friend pulled a rifle in front of an undercover cop. So we're going to jump in and see what this video about.
On Saturday, July 6, 2024, around 12:45 a.m., Albuquerque officers in plain clothes were conducting surveillance in a parking garage due to several reports of underage drinking and using firearms. The undercover officers observed two men in a green Honda who looked to be under the age of 21. The officers watched the two men until they parked their vehicle and got out. Officers then observed the men begin to argue with others before the second male retrieved an AR-15 style rifle and brandished it to the others before attempting to conceal it. A short time later, several officers arrived and began making their way up to the top of the parking garage.
Okay, so why is so much people walking up and not nobody driving? And check, it sounds like getaway movement and all kind of sticky situation, but let's continue watching and see what's going on.
As officers got to the top, they attempted to get the men in the green Honda to exit. However, the driver proceeded to drive out and hit multiple vehicles.
Parking top looking live. The kids up there having the time of their life, skating, drinking, smoking, snorting. It look like we having a party up here for the young folks here. Check. Cops and adults are not invited, only unless you're doing drugs too. See how everybody scattering like roach. The police show up. Don't be around. Keep it moving. Yeah, check. Hold on, you're moving. This one? Okay, five. That's it? Boom. See, my problem. Where is the undercover, or where is the marked vehicles? Because my boy already moving and I barely make it there. I got guns drawn and my boy about to move again. Let's see what's going to happen.
Put the car in park. Yeah, this is it. Put the car with the gun. Passenger's the one with the gun. Passenger has the gun. Hey, step over here. Open the door right. Hey, open the door right now. Open the
okay, door. Police there.
Open the door.
Oh, that's the undercover right there. Boom. How you ain't? So you come up the road and you ain't even try to block off the strip. You just leave him squeeze by and get away. Just let's continue.
Hey, get ready with stop 6 down there.
No, look at this. We all have to run back for the stairs. What kind of bullshit? So if the driveway clear, the exit clear, he doesn't get away. But let's continue.
Get out the way, bro.
Half off flight. Fourth floor, 2 flights. 3 flights halfway in between. 4 flights, 2 floors. Boom.
He's right here.
Let's go. Alright.
Stop!
No stopping the vehicle. Nothing. Let's go.
Unlock the door!
And nothing. Okay. On the covers, look at that. 4 flight of stairs, a second attempt.
Yeah, second part is things from here.
The tires.
Officers were
Look,
able to
look.
successfully spike strip the vehicle.
Look at this shit. All of these officers and nobody there to block the entrance or the exit. But all your cars parked around the corner. So how are you gonna...
as it was
Let's
leaving
go.
the garage, but initially lost sight of it until they located the vehicle that had been crashed.
Look how much running they gotta do to get to the vehicle. If his tires weren't flat and he flew a little better driver, he was gone. He was get away. I think he get catch, but you check get away. Look, gotta be fidgeting and fidgeting with keys. Look at this bullshit. More time off the clock.
Where you go? South. We're still alive. Yeah, me too. We'll stay alive for a little bit. Guess I go south. Their support has it.
We need units 3rd and Central DC 21 Towers 1.
What? Southbound 47, right above bearings. Right there. Right here. Hey, get the f out of the car now!
We all confused on how to.
He was just right here.
That man confused and all. They don't even look like they know what they did.
Yeah, it was him. Where'd he go? He was right here. Hey, he was just right here. We cut him off. We have one. Don't move or I'll shoot you. Moron.
What? He's wearing black.
Hey, this is the driver. This is the driver. This is the driver. Yeah.
Where's your restaurant?
Hand up. Get the f up.
Ah, song so tough.
Hey, my unit's right here. Okay.
First, I just want out.
I know. I saw him right here. I know we cut him off. You're lucky we didn't shoot you, stupid ass.
The driver was identified as 19-year-old Steven Robles.
Hey. I don't know.
Any other activity?
Yes. Yeah, you good
One
here?
truck is black. We'll find all black out of that.
All black?
Here,
Yeah,
last
this.
location of the guy in all black. He was running west on Central from 4th Street.
Don't worry.
The passenger managed to get away and has not been identified.
My boy sound like a solid driver. He ain't saying nothing. He know nothing.
You pick him up in jail tomorrow.
I can tell you. Oh, shut up.
Freedom of speech is hitting a cop car? That's freedom of speech, you dumbass?
Hurt somebody, dude.
We know you were in the car. We had our undercover units right next to you, idiot.
Officers later searched the vehicle, where a rifle and additional handgun were recovered.
I'm guessing the guns in the car aren't yours either, huh? Don't answer that.
Stephen was transported and booked into the Metropolitan Detention Center on charges of fleeing law enforcement and resisting or evading. Stephen is also facing charges of armed robbery and possession of a controlled substance after police found cocaine in the vehicle.
See, I tell you, I know. Some partying or skating, drinking, and drugging in your truck. I know they had to be up there doing some kind of drugs. I know it. That's why partner one is step knocked out. See, cocaine is a hell of a drug. But let's jump in and see what's going on. Well, that's all I got for you. I already know. The juveniles, they out there. They ain't a juvenile, but he old enough. He go to the big jail. Not a juvenile. Take that back. The teenagers, the young adults, the adult under the government system, the government, but they still somebody child. But guns, drugs, these young folks having the time of their life. But don't forget to drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the post notification, bing, so you'll get a notification when I drop our next video.